Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change home screen transition in INFINIX Note 40 Pro. A home screen transition is the animation which is being shown while sliding between the pages on the home screen. To edit it, first, press and hold on some free space on the home screen, then press on Settings. Then press on Appearance, and now you can change Page Turn Effect. I will change it to Rotate. Now, how you can see, I've successfully changed the transition. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.